Hi, good morning to everyone. Today our topic is pointers. In general, most of the people are thinking that pointer is a very difficult topic. But if you know the topics which are covered in the previous sessions like data types, identifiers, arrays, functions, structures, you have the good knowledge, then it is very easy to and flexible to learn the pointers concept. So today I would like to discuss the what is the pointer and how to declare the pointers and give the examples and also types of pointers, and after that I will be explain with one few programming with output. So first of all, what is a pointer? It is a pointer. Pointer is a pointer is a variable. Pointer is a one type of variable which is points to points to memory location. Points to memory location. Pointer is a variable which points to memory location. So that means in our C language every variable here will allocate the memory, but this variable pointer variable will be contains the another memory location. So in general, without using pointers there is no programming available, because every program reside in the memory. So if you want to process any instructions which will be stored in memory with the help of the pointers, it is very easy to accessing the data, modifying the data, deleting the data is very easy. So that's why in C language these pointers are supported to do all these operations under the memory locations. Here C supports the pointers, so that's why C is a powerful language. C is a powerful language because of C supports the pointers. So now we are declaring what is the syntax of the pointers. So now I am explaining the what is the syntax of the pointers. So before explain about the pointer syntax, now in general what is the ding syntax for the general variable? For general variable we are writing data type. Here we are writing the identifier or variable or variable identify or and ending with the semicolon. Now this is the general variable syntax. Now we are convert this variable syntax as a pointer variable. That means just we are preceding variable or after data type, just indicate the star symbol. If you are represent the star symbol, then it is a pointer variable syntax. Now I will be taken one simple example. Like here I will take the one simple example, that means int a. Here general variable declaration. So now we want to declare it as a pointer variable. Just simply int star, means after data type we are put the star. Or this is another way, in our C language they will be provide the int star a. Either this way is accessing or this way is also accessing. Means after the data type we are the star, or before the variable also we are put the star. Means indirection operator. So this is nothing but simply the pointer variable declaration. So now how it will be storing, just generally observe. Now I am taking one simple general variable, that means int a. Then after that a is equals to 100. So for this one how it will be storing, simply so a is a variable name, so it will be location. That means this is the address. This is the address. So now what it will be, it is the value. Here what is the value? It must and should be, it is a integer data value. That means here 100 is a integer that will be stored in the integer variable. Now we are declaring that is the pointer variable. For this one, int star ptr. Now I'm writing here ptr is a one pointer variable, as you wish, any name of here. Okay, then after that star ptr means it is a pointer variable. So every variable will be contains the address, value, and this is the variable name. Here also the pointer is also one type of variable, means here also it will be contains the ptr is a pointer. That means it is a variable, but it is a pointer variable. Now it will be contains the address, and it is also contain the some value. So here ptr is a variable. It's the location that is on the 3000. This is the address for the ptr. But here the specialty is value. The pointer is a variable which points to memory location. Which points to memory location. Now we are pointing to memory. That means here we want to access the value of a. We can do some operation on variable a with the help of the ptr, with the help of the memory location variable name, that is a pointer. So that's why now ptr will be contains, that is ptr means it is contains the address of a. That means ampersand a. This is the pointer variable which contains address of a. That means what is the here value? What is the address of a? This is the address of a means 2000. That means it is the 2000. So ptr means 2000. If you want to, what is the accessing? What is the value of this location? That means the value of location is this one, this 100. The location at 2000 address, the location at 2000 address star 100. To represent this one we are using the operator, that is the star. That means here there is two operators will be required. One is the star and second one is the ampersand. Here it will be indication, it is a pointer operator. There is a indirection operator, indirection operator, and this is nothing but address operator, address operator. So to support the pointers we need two operators. One is the indirection operator and second one is the address operator. What is the address operator means? If you want to store, if you want to store any variable, then we can take the ampersand is enough. That will be indicate the address of a. What is the address of a? 2000. That will be stored in ptr. So here ptr means here 2000, it is a value. That means here it is a pointer value, that is nothing but simply it will be contains the address. So if you want to access the address of this location, then we are using the symbol, that is the indirection operator. So finally in our pointers we can use the two types of operator. One is the star and second one is the ampersand operator. So simply in some way, another way, that is representing the pointer is nothing but it is contains address of another variable. So simply pointer is a variable. Pointer is also one type of variable which contains address of another variable. That means here ptr is a pointer which contains address of another variable, that is a. So this is the indication of this pointer variable. So this is about the what is the pointer, how to declare the what is the syntax, and how there is example. Then after that how to access this one. So here ptr means if you want to access the what is the a value, here a means 100. If you want to access the ampersand a, that means it is the 2000. That means address of a. If you want is the point ptr variable, what is the ptr? What is the ptr here? It will be contains the only 2000. What is the ampersand of ptr? Means where the ptr is located, address of ptr. That means that location is 3000. If you want to access the value of a, with the help of pointer variable, then we are writing the star ptr. That means star means it is the value at. That means it is a at value at 2000 address. That what is the value? That means it indicates the 100. So this is the that means a pointer variable which contains the address of another variable. Now we'll discuss the another, that is another topic, that is the types of pointers. Types of pointers. Here there are the two types of pointers. One is typed pointer, one is typed pointer, and second one is untyped pointer. Untyped pointer. One is a typed pointer and second one is the untyped pointer. So here pointer, typed pointer means it points to specific type of data. It points to specific type of data. So for example, if you are take the int star means it points to int data. If you take like this one float star, it points to float data. Take like this one struct employee star, means here employee is a structure variable. That means it points to the employee data. That means these are the typed pointer. Integer pointer, float pointer means integer pointer means it points to integer data. Float pointer means it points to float data. Structure employee pointer means it points to employee data. So that's it is a typed pointer. Means the next one is untyped pointers. Untyped pointer means it points to any type of data. It's not a fixed. It's a pointer which points to any type of data. So that's why it is also called generic pointers. It's also called generic pointers. Means untyped pointers is also called the generic pointers. Is also called generic pointers. So here how to represent. So for this one we can take the symbol. That means one keyword then is provided, that is a void is a untyped pointer. It points to any type of data. This is the simple concept belongs to typed pointers. One is the typed pointer and second one is the untyped pointers. So now I will be taken one simple example regarding to the pointers. So that's why I am starting, that is the void main. Then after that I am taking the one variable, that means int x is equals to 100 or 10. Now so how to represent this one? Now I am taking this line indication. Here x is a variable name, 10 is the variable value, and now I am taking the 2000 is the address of x value. That means this is the value, this is the address, this is the variable name. For this line, after execution of this line, the memory allocation for this x variable is a 2000 address. The location value is the 10. Now I will take one pointer, that is int star ptr. Here also it will be allocated some value. That means ptr is a one more variable. To allocate this one 3000 is address. It is a variable. This is another variable which will be contains the address, that is the 3000. So what is a pointer? A pointer is a variable which contains address of another variable. Now we are contains ptr is equals to, I would like to store the address of x. That means address of x. That means what is the address of x? X address is 2000. That means it will be stored the 2000. This is the pointer. Now how it will be points? If you want to move, means it is the pointers by using the star symbol. Okay, this is the. Then after that, now I would like to display what is the printf. Now I am taking the one printf, that is printf %d comma I. So what is the output here? What is the I value? Sorry, x value. That means what is the x value is the output is the 10. Then If you want once again, that means printf %d ampersand x. That means address of x. What is the address of x? That means the output is the 2000. Then after printf %d ptr. What is the ptr contains? Ptr means 2000. That means it also display the 2000. Then after that I am using the one more, that is the printf %d ampersand ptr. That means address of ptr. Ptr address means there is a 3000. Then after that we use the pointer variable, that means printf %d star ptr. Here what is the star means? It indication value at 2000 address. What is the 2000 value address? Value 2000 is address, value at 2000 address. What is the value here? 10. That means it display the 10 is that one. So then after that one, now we will take one more simple example, one more another way to access the 10 with the help of the x. That means printf %d comma, now I am taking this one ampersand x. What is the ampersand x means? Here 2000. I want value at 2000. That means where is the star. That means it also gives the 10. So this is the way of representing the our pointers. So this is a normal pointer and this is the another point. That means this is a normal pointer variable. It is a normal variable. It is a pointer variable. It is a general variable. So this is the way of writing one simple example for the pointers. But please remember here it is integer data. It is also integer data. But what about these pointers? So our integer data is a %d. Here please remember this point here. %d indication, that means our integer will be contains the either positive or negative values. Either positive or negative value. But here our pointer is a integer, that to positive only. That means it is our pointer is only integer. What type of pointer? That is only positive. That means is a pointer which will be of type is the positive integer. That means it is a positive integer. Means 2000 is a positive integer, 3000 is also positive integer. But if you are representing the %d, that is possible to either positive or negative. But our pointers, that means addresses, 2000 is address, 3000 is address. These are the integer data type. So that's why at the time of displaying, at the time of accessing using the address, then we are using the format string instead of %d. We must be use the %u. Here also, but it is also address. So that's why %u, and this is also address. Use the %u. I hope you can understand why you are using the %u instead of %d, because of our address will be represented in the form of the positive integers. That's why you are in the %u. This is the concept belongs to our pointers introduction, types of pointers, and with some simple example. In next class we will discuss about the some more concept under the pointers, that is the call by value, call by reference, pointers to functions, like etc. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share this link to your friends also. Thank you one and all.